कुरा बाँकी कहाँ सबै छन् जाति यहाँ गरेका मिली सबै
गुराँस पनि फुल्छ यहाँ
एउटै हो सबको रहर बनाऊ यो हाम्रो सहर
एउटै हो सबको रहर बनाऊ यो हाम्रो सहर हाम्रो विराटनगर।
Namaste, good morning students and parents. I welcome you all again in the Viratnagar distance learning program, which is broadcasted through Makalu television, and my name is Anuj Dahal and I'll be teaching social studies of class 7 as usual. So we are studying about our religious customs, as you can see in the board, okay, and in the previous classes we had discussed some of the religions that were followed in our country, and today we are forwarding some of the other religions that are followed in our nation. So we have discussed in the previous class, according to the census of Nepal, altogether 10 religions are followed in our country. हाम्रो देशमा जम्मा जम्मी 10 वटा धर्म चाहिँ मानिन्छन्, जसमध्ये हामीले केही धर्महरू चाहिँ अगाडिको क्लासमा पढिसकेका छौं. We have read about their religious customs in the previous class. हामीले अगाडिको क्लासमा चाहिँ ती धर्महरूको जुन कस्टम, संस्कृति, रीतिरिवाज छ त्यसको बारेमा चाहिँ अगाडि पढिसकेका छौं. And today we are going to read about remaining religious customs of remaining religion that we could not discuss in the previous class because of lack of time. So in the previous class we had read about Hinduism. हामीले हिन्दुइज्म को, हिन्दू धर्म को बारेमा पढिसकेका छौं. Similarly we have read about Buddhism. हामीले बुद्धिज्म को बारेमा पनि पढिसकेका छौं. Similarly we have read about Islam religion. हामीले इस्लाम धर्म को बारेमा पनि पढिसकेका छौं. त्यस्तै आएर we had also discussed Christianity. Okay, so these religions we had already discussed in the previous classes. So Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam and Christianity, यी चारवटा धर्मको बारेमा चाहिँ हामीले अगाडि पढिसकेका छौं. Now we are going to move on to the next other religions that are followed in our country. Okay, so let us start today's class. So the next religion, another religion that is followed in Nepal, as you can see in the monitor screen in the slide, that is Kirat religion, Kirat dharma. So let us see about Kirat religion. This is another religion that is followed by people in our nation. So Kirat dharma or Kirat religion. Now you can see in the slide, founder of Kirat religion is Mahaguru Phagunananda Lingden. Okay, so he is the founder of Kirat religion. Mahaguru Phagunananda Lingden, he is the founder of this Kirat religion. And if you talk about the census of Nepal, okay, altogether 3.1% of the people in Nepal, they follow Kirat religion. नेपालमा 3.1% व्यक्तिहरूले चाहिँ किरात धर्म मान्नुहुन्छ. Okay, so this is according to the census of Nepal. Okay, यो चाहिँ census अनुसारले हो. So 3.1 people of Nepal, they follow Kirat religion. Similarly, the third point you can see in the slide, it is mainly followed by Rai and Limbu community. अब नेपालमा धेरै जात जातिहरू छन्. अब सेन्सस अनुसारकै कुरा गर्ने हो भने 125 ethnic groups are there. नेपालमा 125 वटा जात जातिहरू बसोबास गर्नुहुन्छ. So among these 125 ethnic groups, Kirat religion is mainly followed by Rai and Limbu community. Rai jati र लिम्बू जातिका मानिसहरूले चाहिँ विशेष गरी किरात धर्महरू मान्नुहुन्छ। सिमिलरली टक अबाउट द होली बुक, अब धार्मिक किताबको बारेमा कुरा गर्ने हो किरात रिलिजियनको बारेमा, किरात धर्मको भने मुङदुम इज द रिलिजियस बुक अफ किरात रिलिजियन। यसको धार्मिक किताब किरात धर्मको धार्मिक किताबलाई मुङदुम भनेर चिनिन्छ है। जसरी हिन्दुइजममा भागवत गीता हुन्छ है, त्यस्तै वेद पुराण हुन्छ, त्यस्तै बुद्धिज्ममा हामीले त्रिपिटक जातक भनेर पढेका थियौं, इस्लाममा हामीले कुरान भनेर पढेका थियौं, क्रिश्चियनिटीमा हामीले बाइबल भनेर पढेका थियौं, त्यसरी नै किरात धर्मको होली बुक रिलिजियस बुकलाई चाहिँ मुङदुम भनिन्छ, धार्मिक किताबलाई चाहिँ मुङदुम भनिन्छ। मेन डाइटिज मेन गॉड किरात धर्मले मान्ने मुख्य देवी देवता भनेको एउटा सुम्निमा र पारुहाङ के, सुम्निमा पार्वती र पारुहाङ भनेको शिव। सो सुम्निमा एन्ड पारुहाङ दे आर द मेन डाइटिज के, मेन गॉड्स एन्ड गॉडेसेस अफ किरात रिलिजियन। सुम्निमा भनेको पार्वती, त्यस्तै पारुहाङ भनेको शिव। नाउ किरात पीपल, दिस रिलिजियन generally they worship natural things। किरात धर्म मान्नेहरूले चाहिँ प्राकृतिक कुराहरूलाई, प्राकृतिक सम्पदाहरूलाई चाहिँ वर्शिप गर्नुहुन्छ, पूजा गर्नुहुन्छ। अब नेचुरल थिंग्स भनेको दोज व्हिच आर गिफ्टेड बाय द नेचर, जुन प्रकृतिले हामीलाई दिएको छ, लाइक फर एक्जाम्पल फायर, ट्री, माउन्टेन, रिभर है। सो किरात रिलिजियन दे जेनरली वर्शिप द नेचुरल थिंग्स, उहाँहरूले प्राकृतिक सामानहरूलाई चाहिँ पूजा गर्नुहुन्छ, प्राकृतिक स्रोतहरूलाई पूजा गर्नुहुन्छ, जस्तो फायर आगो भयो, ट्री गाछीहरू भए है, वनस्पतिहरू भयो, त्यस्तै माउन्टेन्सहरू भयो, हिमाल पहाड भयो, नदी नाला भए, यिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ किरात धर्मले विशेष गरी वर्शिप गर्नुहुन्छ, पूजा गर्नुहुन्छ। सो किरात रिलिजियन, द पीपल हु फलो किरात रिलिजियन दे जेनरली वर्शिप द नेचुरल थिंग्स and the holy place of Kirat religion is known as मार्गस्थान। धार्मिक स्थल किरात धर्मको धार्मिक स्थललाई चाहिँ मार्गस्थान भनेर चिनिन्छ। जसरी हिन्दू धर्ममा हामी मन्दिर भन्छौं, त्यस्तै बुद्धिस्ट धर्ममा गुम्बा स्तूप भनिन्छ, इस्लाम धर्ममा हामीसँग वी हैव लाइक मस्क मस्जिद छ है। त्यसरी नै किरात धर्ममा चाहिँ किरात धर्मको होली प्लेस धार्मिक स्थललाई चाहिँ मार्गस्थान भनेर चिनिन्छ के। सो दिस इज द किरात रिलिजियन व्हिच इज फलोड बाय 3.1% of the people in Nepal, and who is the founder of Kirat religion? The founder of Kirat religion is Mahaguru Phaguna Nanda Lingden. Now let us move to the next slide. Main festivals. Let us talk about the main festivals of Kirat religion. The main festivals of Kirat religion is Udhauli and Ubhauli. प्रमुख चाडबाड किरात धर्मको उधौली र उभौली हो। So Udhauli and Ubhauli, they are the main festival of the people who are following Kirat religion. In the picture you can see over there, two pictures are there. These people, they follow Kirat religion, and you can see how they are dressed in their cultural dresses. उहाँहरूले आफ्नो सांस्कृतिक पोशाक लाउनु भएको छ, and they are celebrating their festivals Udhauli and Ubhauli. Okay, so the main festival of Kirat religion is Udhauli and Ubhauli, as you can see in the screen, and in the picture in the screen you can see in the slide there are two pictures over there, and these people, they belong to Kirat religion and they are celebrating their festivals. Okay, so this is what is Kirat religion, another one of the religion, major religion that is followed by people of our country. Now let us move to the next religion that is followed in our country, as you can see in the slide, that is Sikhism, Sikh Dharma. है सिखिजम जसलाई सिख धर्म भनिन्छ and you can see the religious symbol of Sikh religion. Okay, that is the religious symbol of Sikh religion. Now let us talk about Sikh religion. अब सिख धर्मको बारेमा अलिकति कुरा गरौं. The founder of Sikhism is Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak चाहिँ ले चाहिँ यो धर्मलाई चाहिँ सुरु गरेका हुन् and Guru Nanak belongs to India. उनी चाहिँ भारतका हुन्. So you can say this Sikh religion has been started from our neighboring country India. So the founder of Sikh religion is Guru Nanak. Guru Nanakले सुरु गरेका हुन् सिख धर्म. Now let us talk about how many people or what percentage of people in Nepal they follow Sikh religion. In Nepal, less people they follow Sikh religion, and according to the census of Nepal, 0.01% of the people in our country in Nepal they follow this religion. नेपालमा चाहिँ 0.01% व्यक्तिहरूले मात्र सिख धर्मलाई चाहिँ मान्नुहुन्छ फलो गर्नुहुन्छ. So 0.01% of people in Nepal they follow this religion. So as compared to other religions of Nepal, अरु धर्मको तुलनामा कम्पेयरमा चाहिँ सिख धर्म मान्ने फलो गर्ने व्यक्तिहरू नेपालमा अलिक कम देखिन्छन् according to the census. Now next point you can see in the slide, Sikhism is a monotheistic religion. And what is the meaning of monotheistic religion? It is given in the bracket over there, religion with a single God. So हामीले अगाडि पोलिथिजम भन्ने वर्ड पनि पढेका थियौं. हिन्दुइजममा पोलिथिजम भन्ने वर्ड पढेका थियौं. अब के थियो त पोलिथिजम भनेको? के हो पोलिथिजम भनेको? पोलिथिजम भनेको चाहिँ एक्ट अफ वर्शिपिङ डिफरेन्ट गॉड्स एन्ड गॉडेसेस. धेरै देवी देवताहरूलाई मान्नु पूजा गर्नु. हिन्दू धर्ममा हामीले पढेका थियौं हिन्दू धर्ममा मान्नेहरूले धेरै देवी देवताहरूलाई पूजा गर्नुहुन्छ. तर सिख धर्ममा त्यस्तो छैन. सिख धर्म भनेको मोनोथिएस्टिक रिलिजियन हो. इट इज अ मोनोथिएस्टिक रिलिजियन, दैट इज रिलिजियन विथ अ सिंगल गॉड. एउटा मात्र देवी देवतालाई मान्छन् सिख धर्ममा. एन्ड सिमिलरली इट डज नॉट बिलिभ इन आइडोलेट्री. जसरी हामीले इस्लाम धर्ममा पनि पढेका थियौं, इस्लाम रिलिजियन डज नॉट बिलिभ इन आइडोलेट्री. मूर्ति पूजा हुँदैन इस्लाम धर्ममा. त्यसरी नै सिख धर्ममा पनि मूर्ति पूजा हुँदैन. दे डू नॉट बिलिभ इन आइडोलेट्री. Okay, so this is what is Sikh religion, and the holy book of Sikh religion is known as Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, धार्मिक किताब सिख धर्मको धार्मिक किताबलाई चाहिँ गुरु ग्रन्थ साहिब भनेर चिनिन्छ. है, so this is what is Sikh religion, another religion that is followed in Nepal according to the census. जनगणना अनुसार चाहिँ नेपालमा सिख धर्म पनि मानिन्छ. फाउन्डर गुरु नानक, he is from India. So you can say this Sikh religion has been started from India. 0.01% of the people in Nepal they follow Sikhism. It is a monotheistic religion, means they worship only single God. एउटा मात्र देवतालाई पूजा गर्छन्. मूर्ति पूजा हुँदैन सिख धर्ममा. They do not believe in idolatry, and the holy book, धार्मिक किताबलाई चाहिँ गुरु ग्रन्थ साहिब भनेर भनिन्छ. So this is what is Sikh religion. Now let us move to the next slide. Holy place of Sikh religion, धार्मिक स्थल. Okay, the holy place of Sikh religion is known as Gurudwar. Okay, Gurudwar is the holy place of Sikh religion. You can see in the picture also over there an image of Gurudwar is there. So this is Gurudwar, and there is no idol inside Gurudwar. हामीले अगाडि पनि हेरिसकेका छौं मूर्ति पूजा हुँदैन. So this is Gurudwar where Sikh go to worship. So धार्मिक सिख धर्मको धार्मिक स्थललाई चाहिँ गुरुद्वार भनिन्छ. You can see in the screen, on the screen, the image of Gurudwar. So this is what is Sikh religion another religion that is followed by the people of our country, followed by the people of Nepal. Now let us move to the next slide. Main festivals. अब festivals का कुरा गरौं है. The main festivals of this religion, Sikh धर्मको मुख्य चाडबाड बैसाखी. In the next point you can see Maghi and similarly Guru Nanak Jayanti. So these are the main festivals, though there are some other festivals also of Sikh religion, but these are the main festivals. यी भनेका चाहिँ सिख धर्मको मुख्य चाडहरू हुन्. बैसाखी, त्यसैगरी माघी र गुरु नानक जयन्ती. You can see in the picture also the Sikh people over there, they are celebrating their festival है. यो पिक्चरमा देखिएको जुन छ उहाँहरू चाहिँ सिख धर्म मान्नेहरू हो र उहाँहरूले चाहिँ आफ्नो चाडबाडलाई मनाइरहनु भएको छ. So these are the main festivals of Sikh religion, प्रमुख धर्म प्रमुख चाडबाडहरू. So this is Sikh religion. Now next religion that is followed in our country is Jain religion or Jainism. Jain dharma. This is another religion that is followed in Nepal according to the census of Nepal. Nepal को जनगणना अनुसार फलो हुने मानिने अर्को धर्म भनेको चाहिँ जैनिज्म, जैन धर्म. You can see the symbol of Jain religion in the screen over there. Now let us talk about this another religion that is found in our country, followed in Nepal. Founder is Mahavir and he belongs to India. The founder of Jain religion is Mahavir. He belonged to India. So you can say like Sikhism, similar to Sikhism, Jain religion or Jainism was also founded in India. यो इन्डियाबाट सुरुवात भएको धर्म हो. The founder of this religion is Mahavir of India. Now, if we talk about what percentage of people in Nepal they follow this Jain religion, similar to Sikh religion, very less people in Nepal they follow this religion. 0.01% of people in Nepal they follow Jainism. जसरी सिख धर्म मान्ने कम थिए त्यसरी नेपालमा जैन धर्म मान्नेहरू पनि कम हुनुहुन्छ. 0.01% of the people, 0.01% व्यक्तिहरूले नेपालमा चाहिँ जैन धर्म मान्नुहुन्छ. So less number of people in Nepal they follow this religion. And the holy book of this religion, Jain religion, is known as तत्वर्थ सूत्र. यो धार्मिक किताब हो. जैन धर्मको धार्मिक किताबलाई चाहिँ तत्वर्थ सूत्र भनेर चिनिन्छ. So this is the holy book of Jain religion, another religion that is followed in our country. And this Jain religion, like Sikh religion, has also been started in India by Mahavir, and very less population in Nepal, 0.01% population of Nepal, they follow this religion. So let us move to the next slide. And before moving on to the next slide, let me remind you, we are in the Viratnagar distance learning program, which is broadcasted through Makalu television, and this is live broadcast. And this is social studies of class 7. We are reading social studies of class 7, and our chapter is our religious customs. And till now we have read about Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity. Similarly, today we have read about Kirat religion, Sikh religion, and Jain religion. So there are other religions that we are moving now. So let us now move to the next class. Festival, Mahavir Jayanti and Parshusana. These are the main festivals of this religion. You can see in the picture also. The followers of Jain religion is given over there, and we can say that Jain religion is quite similar to Buddhism. Okay, so Mahavir Jayanti is one of the festival of Jain religion. Similarly, you can see another festival of Jain religion over here, Paryusana. Okay, so that is what is the main festival of this Jain religion. Now, another religion that is followed in Nepal is Baha'i religion. Okay, this is another religion that is followed in our country according to the census of Nepal, that is Baha'i religion. जनगणना अनुसार नेपालमा मानिने अर्को धर्म भनेको Baha'i धर्म हो, and below you can see that is the religious symbol of Baha'i religion. Okay, founder. Now let us talk about this Baha'i religion. The founder of this religion, Baha'i religion, is Waha'u'llah. Okay, so Waha'u'llah, he is the founder of this religion and he belongs to Iran. उनी चाहिँ इरानका हुन्, इरानमा जन्म भएको थियो Waha'u'llahको. So you can say this Baha'i religion has been started from Iran. यो चाहिँ इरानबाट सुरु भएको धर्म हो. And according to the census, 0.01% of the people in Nepal, they follow this religion. So similar to the previous religion, very less percentage of the people, 0.01% only follow Baha'i religion. And the holy book, Dharmik Kitab of this religion is Kitab Ekdas. So this is what is Baha'i religion. Now let us talk about another religion, that is Prakriti religion or nature religion. यसलाई चाहिँ प्रकृति धर्म भनेर भनिन्छ according to the census. Now let us see about this religion. This religion has no gods and goddesses. प्रकृति धर्म मान्नेहरूले कुनै पनि देवी देवताहरूलाई पूजा गर्नु हुन्न. They do not follow any gods and goddesses. Rather than the people following this religion, they worship nature. प्रकृतिलाई पूजा गरिन्छ. त्यही भएर चाहिँ यो धर्मलाई प्रकृति रिलिजियन वा नेचर रिलिजियन भनेर पनि चिनिन्छ. They worship nature for its kindness to human being. जसरी प्रकृति हामीमाथि काइन्ड हुनुभएको छ, उहाँले थुप्रै स्रोत साधन दिनुभएको छ. We are here because of nature, we are alive because of nature. So showing our respect to nature, people follow this religion, Prakriti religion or nature. And according to the census, 0.46% of the people in Nepal, they follow this religion. 0.46% व्यक्तिहरूले चाहिँ प्रकृति रिलिजियनलाई मान्नुहुन्छ, नेचर रिलिजियनलाई फलो गर्नुहुन्छ. So this is what is this religion, Prakriti religion. Next is Bon religion. You can see the religious symbol of Bon religion, another religion found in Nepal, and the last religion, founder Tongpa Senarp of Tibet. Okay, the founder of this religion is Tongpa Senarp of Tibet. तिब्बतबाट सुरुवात भएको धर्म हो. According to the census, 0.04% of people in Nepal, they follow Bon religion. So very less percentage of the people in Nepal, they follow this religion, and the people of this religion, they follow similar life to that of Buddhist. अब यो धर्मलाई हेर्ने हो भने lifestyle is quite similar to Buddhism. बुद्ध धर्मसँग म्याच हुन्छ. So this is what is the last religion, Bon religion, okay, according to the census of our country. So we have read all the 10 religions that were followed in our country: Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity. Similarly, we have read about Kirat. We have also read about Prakriti. We have read Sikh. Similarly, we have also read about Bon. Okay, so these are the religions that are followed in our country. So in the next class, we will be studying more of the lessons. Today because of lack of time, okay, we are not able to continue. So thank you, have a good day, namaste.